Hello, Louisiana legends. Welcome back to Legends of Louisiana, where we celebrate the vibrant culture and history of our state. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to become part of our legendary community. In today's episode, we're inviting you to share your Louisiana love. What's your favorite thing about living in this beautiful state? Is it the unbeatable flavors of Cajun cuisine, the soulful tunes of jazz that echo through the French Quarter, or perhaps the electrifying energy of Mardi Gras? For me, it's the unbreakable bond of our community. It's in the stories we swap at the corner store and the steps we share on the dance floor. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing what makes Louisiana the treasure that it is to you. We might just highlight your story in our upcoming content. And if you're passionate about the legends and lore that make Louisiana one of a kind, show us some love with a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and follow our journey through the legends of Louisiana. Thank you for tuning in. Stay legendary, and catch you on the next adventure.